What's up with it? Today is July 1st, 2025, and today I took two trades. I took two losses today. Um, and yeah, let's get right into my trades. So, coming into the morning, we had swept this 4 hour low inside this 4 hour fair value gap, along with this low inside this hourly. So, I was expecting to move higher. On the 15-minute, we inverse this gap right here. Got inverse. I'm gonna try that. The 30-minute was holding, but it looked like it was also gonna get inverse live while trading. So going into market open, Powell was speaking today at 9:30. So I didn't really want to be involved with anything because you never know when it's a speech. So market opened and it was chop, 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 chop. So then we get some displacement to the downside, accumulation, manipulation. I was expecting this to be the manipulation since we swept that low and also put in an SMT at this low. So what do I want to see after? I want to see an inverse fair value gap and a change of state in delivery. Get the inverse. I could have entered here. I should have entered here. This was a perfectly fine entry. But I guess since we were moving so choppy, I'm on confirmation. So I waited for the change of state and I sized in. So I think I bought two here. Or I don't know. I must have fully waited for the CISD. I could have entered off this too and sized in here. So this is where I enter. 3 micros. Stops go low. TP at this high. Targeting all these highs right here. As soon as we took this, I didn't really want to see price move down, so I put my stop break even. No, I moved my stop, I think, to like right here. And I ended up getting stopped out. So I waited a little bit. Then we put in an SMT here. Let's see. No SMT. But the charts look different on NQ and MNQ and ES and MES. That was blowing my shit too, because this stopped like right here. Whatever though. I played patient. We get a liquidity sweep. Although I should have waited for this to be swept, but it's fine. And we get the inverse and the change in state in one candle. So that's the checklist. Liquidity sweep, inverse, CISD. Boom. Take my trade. I noticed that we put in an SMT, so I moved my stop a little tighter. Actually, nah, I keep my stop there. This is the stop loss or TP. I stopped out. I should have taken a partial just because of how big this SMT was. And because coming into the morning, I was still leaning a little bearish. We had this daily fair value gap. And we still had previous day low to be swept right here. But it's fine. I should have managed my risks better. Even if I took off one contract, I should have TP'd. But those were my two trades for the day. Down 200. I haven't won a single trade on this live account since I got it. But it's alright. Because the days are going to come. And I just got to keep taking these good setups. And I just gotta keep playing the patient.